Turkey has emerged as a major player in the development of unmanned aerial vehicle UAV technology. The country focuses not only on producing reconnaissance drones, but also on developing advanced combat drone systems capable of changing the dynamics of modern warfare. One recent innovation that has captured global attention is the flight test of dozens of K2 Kamikaze UAVs. The K2 Kamikaze UAV is designed as a single-use attack drone capable of engaging targets with high precision. Unlike conventional drones that return to base after a mission is completed, the Kamikaze UAV is designed to crash into targets. In the latest flight test, dozens of K2 UAVs were launched simultaneously in a simulated combat scenario. This test aimed to test the coordination capabilities of drones in swarm formation. Swarm technology allows large numbers of drones to work collectively, share data in real time. The K2 Kamikaze UAV is equipped with an advanced navigation system that utilizes a combination of GPS, optical sensors, and artificial intelligence. The K2 Kamikaze UAV was designed using advanced simulation-based software. See engineering, team-tested, aerodynamics, navigation systems, and the integration of artificial intelligence in a digital environment. This approach enabled faster development while minimizing production errors. Designed using lightweight composite materials, the fuselage structure uses lightweight yet strong composite materials to improve fuel efficiency and durability. Propulsion system. The engine and propellers are designed to provide long range with minimal energy consumption. Electronic module includes sensors, cameras, and an AI-based navigation system. The development of kamikaze drones, like the K2, also reflects a paradigm shift in global military strategy. Countries are increasingly relying on unmanned systems to conduct higher-risk operations. In addition to lower operational costs than manned fighter jets, drones also offer greater tactical flexibility. They can be used in a variety of missions, from reconnaissance to precision strikes. During the trials, the K2 drone demonstrated high maneuverability and rapid response to changing conditions on the ground. Some of the scenarios tested included attacks on armored vehicles, military installations, and moving targets. Initial results indicate a high success rate, hitting targets with impressive precision. However, the use of kamikaze UAVs has also raised several concerns, particularly regarding ethical and international legal aspects. The ability of autonomous drones to identify and attack targets without human intervention raises questions about accountability in armed conflict. Some believe this technology potentially increases the risk of misidentification of targets, which could result in civilian casualties. The Turkish government, on the other hand, asserts that the development of this technology remains within the framework of international law and is used for national defense purposes. They also emphasize the importance of human control at every stage of the operation. Despite the advancement of autonomous technology, the successful flight tests of dozens of K2 Kamikaze UAVs also demonstrate the progress of the Turkish defense industry as a whole. The country has invested heavily in research and development and encouraged collaboration between the government, military, and private sectors. The result is an innovation ecosystem capable of producing globally competitive technology. Furthermore, this success also opens up export opportunities for the Turkish defense industry. Many countries are interested in adopting advanced drone technology, especially those that have proven effective in various conflicts. This could enhance Turkey's position as a major exporter of UAV systems in the international market. Strategically, the ability to deploy dozens of kamikaze drones simultaneously provides a significant advantage. Against modern air defense systems, with such large numbers, drones can overwhelm enemy defense systems, forcing them to expend resources to counter multiple threats. This strategy, known as a saturation attack, is increasingly relevant in the context of modern warfare. Going forward, the development of the K2 Kamikaze UAV is likely to continue with enhanced capabilities, such as longer range, more advanced artificial intelligence, and integration with other combat systems. This technology also has the potential to be combined with other drone systems, creating a more interconnected and effective combat network. In conclusion, the flight tests of dozens of K2 Kamikaze UAVs represent a significant milestone in the evolution of Turkish military technology. This innovation not only strengthens the country's defense capabilities, but also reflects a major shift in the way warfare is conducted in the modern era. While presenting various challenges, particularly from an ethical and regulatory perspective, these developments suggest that the future of armed conflict will be increasingly dominated by autonomous technologies and unmanned systems.